I know people know I'm obviously the face of the firm, but how would it look if it was just information or images, and how much engagement does that have?
With the videos, I mean, honestly, I hate selfies. I hate being on Zoom right now. I don't like seeing videos of myself. Before I signed up, I had done enough research and stalked Chad Petrowski enough that I was kind of trying to make a funnel based on like very close to his, not 100% copying, but close. So I wrote out a script, and I mean, it must have been like honestly close to 50 takes, and they were all horrible. And then I watched your YouTube boot camp where you're like, all right, you're just going to make these videos right now. Just go. Doesn't matter what you look like, just do it right now. And since then, it's just been a lot easier. So you gave me that challenge of doing 5 super valuable long videos per week. And I've been doing that almost every week. I was in the hospital for one, so I give myself a pass for that. But like sometimes I don't feel like doing it, but I do whenever I have an idea. I'm going to use your sheet now, but I put it in notes in my phone, and I'm just like, all right, in 1 hour, I'm going to have these 5 videos done, and that's it. I'm not going to spend more time. I'm definitely never going to redo a video once I film it. It just is what it is.
Exactly. Done is better than perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So no script, and now worrying about how you say, what you say if we make a mistake. It's all good. Nobody cares about those things. Some people care, yeah, but most people don't care. How about adding titles, logo, intro, background music, etc.? So for that, you go to a little tools list called tools list that you guys have. Let me share that with you. Fiverr freelancers. There should be, I didn't add it. I'll add it right now. Maybe I'll just go to my Fiverr account. There are people that can make these intros for you for like $5 on Fiverr. Yeah, or just go on Fiverr and just put YouTube intro. There's literally hundreds of them. Don't overthink it. Just make sure it's a short, like 2 seconds max. Nobody wants to sit through this. It's like, it's much better, shorter. So just get down. But it's not going to make or break your channel. Even if you don't have the intro, you'll still be okay. Vince, can we have a link to the YouTube notes? This is my internal one, but this is literally what it looks like. You have your titles and your bullet points. That's all it is. So just make that for yourself. Just make the first one so you go through the motions yourself. Linda says, don't you have videos linked to the end of your videos too that encourages viewer to watch more too? Yes, there's little tips and tricks and clips and things you can do, but I wouldn't worry about those things upfront when you're starting. Just make the video, and over time, you're like, oh, I saw Sam or somebody else also make these outro videos to tell people to subscribe. Can we add those in there? Yeah. 6 months in, 12 months in. But for now, just go through the motions of just posting the videos. That's what matters. And there's always things you can do. You could pin the comments to tell people what to do and all that stuff. There's a lot to do. But just the most important part, 80-90% of it, just making the video and posting it. Veronica asked, people who receive letters from my first direct mail marketing, look me up on Google. But since my YouTube name is helping criminal defendants keep their freedom, my YouTube doesn't come up when my name is searched. Should I stick with the current name or change to include my full name? You could 2 ways. You could put your first name, Veronica Bardin, helping criminal defendants keep their freedom. See if that fits, or combine it and put Veronica Bardin, helping criminal defendants. Maybe might be a good one. Make a hybrid version.
Yeah.
Because there are some benefits to having a brand and people associated with the person behind it, not just who is this person or just making a good thing. So yeah, that might be a little bit more optimized. Just like how mine is like Virtual Law Firm Secrets by Sam Mollaei, has both components in there. So
awesome, thank you.
Sure. And then since people look you up, your law firm name and your name, make 2 videos. It's like, who is Veronica Bardin and your law firm name. Diego says, what about VAs or other people that make the videos for you? Should I always show my face on the video? Ideally, it should be you, or a charismatic character, as Russell Brunson calls it, somebody who's the face of your law firm. Ideally you, but it doesn't have to be you. You could also have your staff making videos for you, which is basically what I did in the beginning at time 3-4 years ago. So these videos were me. These videos are me. Then I had this lawyer who's part of my staff make videos, who ended up leaving to go start off his own TikTok channel and is doing TikTok. And then we also have Andrew, who's also a lawyer who made videos, and his videos are now doing well. And then I pushed for another person to do them. And then now we're just having generic non-face videos. So different ways, as long as you get the video made, either you, somebody in your team, or faceless videos, but get something up. Like a rental properties again. I don't care that it has 47 views. I'll check back at this in 2 years and it'll have, thousands of views.
Well, tell me about the generic non-face videos. Like, I know people know I'm obviously the face of the firm, but how would it look if it was just information or images, and how much engagement does that have?
A lot.
Okay.
Ideally, yeah. Should ideally be you. Is there anybody on your team that could be?
No,
not at all.
They're not very, they're all very they want to be behind the scenes. So
how about,
can you use a picture, Sam? Like she use a photo of herself and do like a PowerPoint with it or something? Would that work?
That's a good idea. Or just the voiceover. I'm just tired. Like some days you walk in and you have to do it. You have to get all done up, and then I do all my videos. But other days I'm just thinking, if we have so many pictures of me, I can just record and not be talking. I don't know. I'm just trying to think about options.
Yeah, I know it's harder not to get ready and dressed. I understand that.
You don't know that. You're not a woman.
I understand it though. Consciously, you're not like whatever. Anyways, you could experiment with Google Slides presentation style videos, and I've seen a lot of successful YouTube channels where they don't show the face but just focuses on the content. The content is good and the value and answers people's questions and things. That's all people care about. But yeah, try it out. And again, the slides don't have to be anything fancy. It's literally like black text on white background is good enough. Just put your bullet points on your slides and you just literally click through as you're talking it out with a good audio.
Okay. I'll try something different. Yeah, just to mix it up, I think. Yeah. Thank you.
And if you batch record, if you only have you do once every 2 weeks for a good 2 hours, you just you make it fun for yourself and you have somebody to do it with, then you don't worry for 2 weeks. You just do it once and that's it.
Can you recommend, I was just thinking, I usually have the same image, or else I'm standing in different places in my offices. Do you know if there's a really tall one? Because I don't really always want to engage my staff in such I want them to be working. But I mean, all the tripods that I've seen, they're not tall. And I think I need to get one that I can just put up that's 6 foot tall or 5 foot tall or something.
No, there's plenty of them.
Okay. I've never seen one that tall. Okay.
Oh yeah. Right now I'm using it as a light stand, but yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. I need to get that thing. Okay.
Yeah, just put in iPhone stand.
iPhone stand, but I mean, it has to be tall. I've got iPhone stands. Okay. That's tall. Okay. Thank you. I will get one. I will get one today so I can have a full length. Thank you.
No problem. Attractive personality, Vinny is right. Yeah, attractive. Yeah, where can I find the YouTube bootcamp? This is on the virtual law firm. Right here, there we go. YouTube challenge. I just summarized everything for you in 30 minutes, but this is more in detail. How to brainstorm for video topics, which is basically, I'll just share with you how to do it. How to create the outlines. Vince, this is for you. How to record the videos. And of course, it's you. Just go sit there, record the videos. How to create the thumbnails. Give templates, talk about how to do that, how to schedule, optimize it, how to email it to your email list, off video setup, blah, blah, other stuff. So that link is kind of like an entire crash course on it. And again, this is all, I share everything based on everything that I went through myself. I'm not saying you got to do this, but then I never did it myself. I have to do this myself. Joseph asked, do we need to create a separate business name law firm YouTube account? You just have the one YouTube channel for your one law firm. Could you do different practice types? Ideally not. You should keep it to one practice type so that all the videos are about one thing ideally. So that way YouTube knows that this YouTube channel is about this one topic. And you should already know clear with that before you start what that is. So for me, let's just say for Mollaei Law, starting a business is the main keyword. How to start a business, what to do when starting a business, how to start a cleaning business, all that. That's the core word. And then for legal funnel, it's law firm, lawyer. And I have that in. So whenever I create videos, those words and different combinations are there. Sales funnels for videos. Law firm tools. business cards for lawyers. It's all over time, different combinations of lawyer thingy will come. And again, same thing with the Mollaei Law YouTube channel. It's about business.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.